He had every opportunity in the world, both in family law court and in regular civil court, to say to a judge or a jury the same thing that he said on that video, the same thing he said last summer. He could have said that at any time he wanted to, but he never would do that. And then he got sued, and he couldn't stand to answer the questions, either in civil court or in domestic court. It would have been the same kind of process. Those lawyers, and Mr. Shalosky told you, he would have asked him, did you in fact murder your wife? And if he had said no, then they would say, well, how about producing some It would have been hard on him. He would have had to answer those hard questions that he did not want to answer. Well, can you state whether or not this lawsuit specifically alleges in this civil case that this defendant caused the death of Michelle Young? In paragraph 6.
Correct. There is an alleged paragraph 6, again reading verbatim from the record. In the early morning hours of November 3rd, 2006, Jason Young brutally murdered Michelle Young at their residence.
And was a judgment entered as a result of that hearing that was held on December the 5th of 2008?
There was a judgment entered, yes.
Have you had an opportunity to review that judgment?
I have. It is part of the official court file.
And signed by the Superior Court judge, a judgment declaring within the civil statute this defendant, Jason Young, to be the slayer, that is, that he unlawfully killed Michelle Marie Fisher Young, within the definition of slayer in the civil law. Is that correct?
That is correct.